This PlayStation scalper has aggravated some people. Now, you know, people are still trying to get their hands on these things. I don't know if you knew that. And this particular scalper or scalper group, I don't know. Carnage Bot? I don't know if you've heard of them, but they're very good at getting their hands on these devices and checking out quickly and spoiling things for everyone else who's attempting. The most recent attack took place at the UK supplier store named Game Digital. And this @CarnageBot on Twitter was bragging about getting over 2,000 checkouts successfully logged for the day's restock of the PS5, which, man, how many did this particular outlet get? That might have been the whole boat, or close to it. And then he follows up with, this just keeps getting easier every time, which, you know, with the purple devil icon as well, which just gets people real irate. And so there were a lot of replies to this particular tweet. And actually even a response from the retailer themselves. They say this morning at 10:09 when clicked purchase for the PS5 digital, treated to a message saying out of stock, even though others are buying them, including 2,000 went to Carnage Bot. This is ridiculous. Oh, this is somebody tweeting at the official Twitter handle for the retailer. I was in at 10 on the dot and wasted time trying these different methods. So the bot scalpers have gotten better, and they've been able to make thousands of dollars, you know, selling these things for about twice the price in most markets. And they are doing it by running these bot networks that appear to be very effective at being faster than humans. Once again, it's what we've all predicted. The bots are better than we are at a variety of tasks.
Absolutely.
And we better just accept it at this point, even if it's just buying PlayStations.